Boss, what are you doing? What are you doing, boss? What are you doing, boss? Why? Why did you do this, boss? Boss, say something for yourself. Boss, you're getting a spanking. Did you do something bad?
Under my profile,
You did?
Showing say.
You don't do that, boss.
Wilkie.
You don't do that.
Jump look. I'm making a story of us.
Boss, you don't do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. I know my dog is a really bad dog. He destroyed my sister's room. Just hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. And leave a comment. Bye guys.